let's make a reusable checklist. That means I'm going to check these things off, but then tomorrow I want them unchecked no matter what. Maybe I'm the one using this on Mondays and then somebody else uses it on Tuesdays, or I just don't want to uncheck everything every night. I want my sheet to do it for me. Go up to extensions app script. We're going to change this function to be named uncheck. And we want to uncheck column A or just A2 to A7. So we'll do spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet. That gets the entire spreadsheet file. We'll go to sheet 1. Maybe this is also called tasks. Whatever it is, we can name it get sheet by name, tasks. And then we're going to do dot get range. Inside of this range, we could do A:A. We could also do A2 colon, what was that? A7 to get the very specific range. And then we're going to write uncheck. So all of this, just this one line of code, we're going to save it or click Save Project to Drive. It's going to uncheck. And we can double check this. We can check our work. We can check them all, A2 to A7. We can come here and we can click Run. It's going to ask us to authorize the very first time we do it, but not any. So here's our authorization. We just authorize it once. And we can go back and check, and it is unchecked. So we know that it works. Let's actually trigger this every day. So it's called a function uncheck. Over on the left side, we have triggers. We'll click there. And once on triggers, on the bottom right, we'll click add trigger. Once we choose which function to run, if you have multiple functions here, you'll have to find it. But usually if it's the only function, it'll be right here. Our select event source will be changed to time driven. And we want to change that to day timer. Then we select the time of day. We'll do it in the morning before we come to work, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., and we'll click save. You may have to authorize again. Here we see our trigger, and if we want to delete it, over on the right side, 3 buttons, click delete trigger if you want to delete that and don't have it happen ever again. But right now, it'll run every day between those hours we selected, once a day, and it'll be a reusable checklist.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.